At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a barbecue rub business can be exciting and rewarding if you have a passion for grilling and flavors. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and develop your recipes. Experiment with different spice combinations to create unique barbecue rub recipes. Consider factors like flavor profile, spiciness level, and versatility for different types of meat. 2. Refine your recipes. Test your barbecue rub recipes on family and friends and gather feedback to refine them further. You want to ensure that your products are high quality and stand out in the market. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, pricing strategy, distribution channels, and marketing plan in a comprehensive business plan. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay focused. 4. Legal considerations. Research the legal requirements for starting a food business in your area. This may include obtaining permits, licenses, and complying with health and safety regulations. You might also need to consider trademarks for your brand name and packaging design. 5. Source ingredients and packaging. Find reliable suppliers for high-quality spices and packaging materials. Consider eco-friendly options for packaging to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. 6. Brand identity and packaging design. Create a strong brand identity that reflects the essence of your barbecue rub business. Design eye-catching packaging that stands out on the shelves and communicates the quality of your product. 7. Set up distribution channels. Decide how you will sell your barbecue rubs. Options include selling online through your website or e-commerce platforms, selling at local farmers markets or food festivals, or partnering with retailers and distributors. 8. Market your products. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your barbecue rubs and reach your target audience. This may include social media marketing, influencer partnerships, attending food events, and offering samples to potential customers. 9. Build relationships. Cultivate relationships with customers, retailers, and other businesses in the barbecue and grilling community. Networking can help you gain valuable insights, opportunities for collaboration, and loyal customers. 10. Evaluate and adapt. Continuously evaluate the performance of your barbecue rub business and be prepared to adapt your strategies based on market feedback and changing trends. Stay flexible and open to new opportunities for growth. Starting a barbecue rub business requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to learn. By following these steps and staying true to your passion for great flavors, you can build a successful brand in the competitive barbecue market. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.